video, and I'd probably say this is my favorite shirt of the 2020-2021 season. Borussia Dortmund, I hope I said that right. Away kit. Amazing. Whoever designed this, you need a raise. Let's just get into some of the details. So it's got the graffiti BVB plus paint splatters. I don't know if people actually can notice that when they I don't think they notice that when they look at it online. It also says 09 BVB 09, so it's all over. I really like that. Then it's got the spray paint stripe, which kind of breaks for this sponsorship, and it kind of breaks for the logo, the stars, and then it carries on there. It doesn't carry on to the other side. Yeah, I really like this shirt just because of the amount of detail. I just have one piece of negative feedback, and that is, if this 1-on-1, whoever these people are, was yellow and black, it would be 10 times better. It would be 10 times better. If it was all yellow and black, or yellow and all black, or whatever works, I think that will look so much better. I do understand that they do have the Opel logo on the arm. That does contrast. It does complement it, but then again, that's just me being very picky. It's an amazing shirt. Whoever designed this actually needs a medal. They pulled it out of the bag with this one. There's also other Puma shirts which have been amazing. I actually think Puma have been killing it this year with shirt designs, because they have so many shirt designs that are so good. Trainers, etc. So very underrated. People need to start rating Puma more. I don't have too much more to say other than how to style it, which is obviously I'd go with the usual grey jeans or black jeans, white Air Force Ones, and you're sorted. A lot of football shirts can actually just be worn very simply. I do understand a lot of people don't really know how to style football shirts or don't want to style football shirts, which is okay. Style's not everyone's thing, but me personally, when I wear these, I want to look amazing, immaculate, sensational. But yeah, that's all for me for today, and I'll see you on the next one.